sis, do you really need another pumpkin?
Katrina's Price's Home, Life, and More. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Welcome back or welcome on today. Now let's enjoy the video together.
So welcome back or welcome to the channel on today. I am Katrina and this is Katrina's Price's Home, Life, and More. And in today's video, it's all about planning for our fall and holiday season decor. So you know what to do. Let's get into it and just keep watching. So first up, I love searching high-end home decor stores for inspiration. Stores like Pottery Barn and Crate and Barrel. I'm looking for what's new because I know somewhere like Burlington's, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Ross, even Bell's will have something similar, you know, something we call a dupe. I also love checking out the rich colors and textures in pillows and stems.
The fall is also a great opportunity to bring out your velvet and your sweater pillows.
Next up, I love going to Pinterest to get some great ideas on whether it's traditional fall tablescapes or over the top glam moody tablescapes. It also helps me lean into a color theme for the season. Also, as we transition into the fall holiday season, I start thinking about my lighting in my home. Changing out my lamps, spray painting them and upcycling them, and even consider changing my light bulbs to incandescent for a more richer, warmer glow in the fall and winter season.
Also consider adding warmth to your home by bringing in wood elements such as cutting boards, dough bowls, and home decor pieces. I also love free decor. So I live on a ranch, so I have plenty pine cones, acorns, and branches I can use in my decor as well.
You know, I love thrifting. So that's another option for you if you're looking for new fall home decor. Someone is cleaning out their storage bins. Someone is deciding that they need something new, and they're taking it to Goodwill or a thrift store, and guess what? Trash is now your found treasure. I've done my research by going online and checking out the high-end stores on their websites, checking out Pinterest. I need to make sure I go through my current inventory, see what I have, see what I want to keep, what I may want to donate and give away, and then I have to set a realistic budget for the season.
Now, I know you didn't think I forgot about Amazon. Of course not.
Come here, sis. Do you really need another pumpkin?
Who is she talking to? Well, anyway, you can shop my Amazon storefront 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
So now that I have my color scheme, my overall feel that I want in my home, the coziness that I want for the fall season, and some items in my Amazon cart, there's only one thing left to do, and that is to get in these streets and see what I can find at Home Goods, the at-home store, Marshall, TJ Maxx, Ross. Oh, yeah. Get in these streets and put everything together for the fall decorating season. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow.
Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. So I hope this video was helpful as we all plan for the big upcoming fall decorating season. Well, time to go. I'll see you next time here on Katrina's Prices Home, Life, and More. So consider checking out a few more videos before leaving YouTube on today. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.